Hey Elliott, you got a sec?
Yeah, sure, what's up? Suspension's better, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking really good. Right, loads of people have seen this Land Rover all over social media, but no one actually knows the full story. So how did you actually end up here?
Glad you asked.
You've wanted one of these for years. How did you actually manage to get your hands on this one?
Well, my neighbour had this sat for 29 years, and he said if I can get it running and out, I could have it. So that is exactly what I did.
And just to be clear, this barn wasn't where she was originally sat, was it?
No. She was sat in the middle of a field under classic British weather for a long, long time.
When you first saw it in the field, what condition was it actually in?
She was an absolute mess. Stinging nails all over her, covered in moss, and waiting to be rescued.
Why this though? Why not something easier or newer?
Well, it's always been there through my childhood. I've got a very strong passion for old machinery, and I do love myself a good challenge.
Once it was yours, what was the very first thing you tried to fix?
Well, being it's a petrol, the first thing I did was go to the car to clear out the 29 years worth of old fuel. Ignore the dodgy wiring.
What's been the biggest surprise working on it so far?
Right, to me, it's been the clutch and how much of an absolute pain it's been. Now, originally, I just got the new master cylinder and slave cylinder. Now, you can't see it at the minute, but the slave cylinder's just up here. Having the new master and slave cylinder on, every time I tried it, a new line burst.
As it sits right now, what state is it actually in?
She is all very mechanically sound. All she wants is some fresh oil and a new chassis.
And what are the next big jobs that need doing?
Well, obviously, the next big job is going to be the chassis. So I'm going to strip all the bodywork off, get it down to the bare.
Really appreciate that, mate.
My pleasure. Make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying the revival, and message if you've got a new chassis for me. Catch you in the next one.